I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I've already applied my pointed almond nail tips and I've shaped them into a coffin and applied my clear base, all using products from my website, which I'll link down below for you guys. And I'm using the number 12 rainbow aqua brush for this amazing, beautiful, stunning galaxy set. So if you want to see how I did it, then don't forget to obviously thumbs up this video because I really appreciate that, and continue watching. I'm using Houdini, which is a black acrylic. It launches on Monday. Ice Slush is like the pale, well, it's kind of a blue, like a slushy blue, but with the silver shimmers running through. And then I'm using Neon Purple and Neon Blue. So some of these are available now. Some will launch on Monday with the Circus collection, and I'm so excited about that. Honestly, absolutely freaking love these colours together. I would rock them as a marble, just kind of as they are, but I'd have the black running straight through. So as you can see, I've laid them quite thin with the marble effect, but now I'm coming in with the tip of my brush, and before the acrylic sets, I'm just making sure to kind of press sideways in. I'm not pressing straight in, like jabbing my bristles in there, because I don't want to ruin my brush. I'm using the side of my brush to create indentations, which will allow me to apply the pigments and create more depth in the design. So the pigments that I'm using are the pearl pigments from Glitter Planet. I've used pearl pink, pearl blue, and I also used pearl green, some fairy flakes in the shade Tinkerbell, and also the nebula flakes as well. So I'll link all of those and put the names in the description box down below so that you guys can get everything that you need to create a galaxy set. I want to do a pale version of this as well because this was quite dark. I was going to a wedding, well, I am going to a wedding on Saturday, which is tomorrow, and my dress is like a navy glittery sparkling, well, it's not a dress, it's a jumpsuit, and I thought that this set would just look bomb, so we rolled with it. Look at it, honestly, absolutely stunning, gorgeous. The effect is so mesmerizing, like it's super easy to achieve as well. As you can see, like that was created with kind of minimal effort, really. Like it's just a case of layering up things in the right order and just having the right balance of each item within the set, and it honestly just looks bomb. So I basically go ahead and follow the same process on all of the other nails, but I just basically, to make the process faster, what I did first was marble all of my acrylic, lay the colours down, and then I came back and added the pigments to each nails. So I did all the marble on each nail, and then I come back and add all the pink pigment, all the blue pigment, kind of like that, and that just kind of sped up that process, and it worked out really well that way. So obviously do it whichever way you find just is best for you, but that's just the way I did it. I just wanted to show you the first one so you guys kind of knew exactly what I was going to be doing throughout the video. So I hope you guys have been enjoying my content. Thank you so much as well for the support on my most recent video. The view count seems to be higher. You guys seem to enjoy and love watching it, which makes me super happy. So I was like super excited to get this video edited and up for you guys, so you guys can obviously have some more content. It really does make me so excited, like when when more people see my videos, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get another one up, but when you spend a long time editing a video and it gets maybe 1,000 views, it's like I can wait another couple of weeks till I do another video. Like literally, that is how it feels. It doesn't kind of inspire you or motivate you to make another video as fast if it hasn't had much attention, if that makes sense. Not that that's the be all and end all, but it does help. So yeah, I'm just following the same process. Like I said, everything is available on my website, so I'll link them. Use code NINJA5 for 5% off. And yeah, I'll let you guys keep watching this. If I have anything to say throughout the video, of course I will pop up and let you guys know. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, like and comment. Let me know what you think. So another quick reminder, the Circus acrylic collection launches on Monday, so there will be 13 highly pigmented colours in that range, 10 grams of product in each jar. You can buy them as a set or individual colours. I've got lots of swatches posted on my Instagram and on the Glitter Planet website, on the Glitter Planet Instagram, but I will also be doing a short video just swatching them for you guys here on YouTube, so you can kind of see what we will have available, and you can kind of choose which colours you want, or if you want them all, you can grab them all. We do ship worldwide for all the powders, all the nail art items, the brushes. We're just the liquids at the moment that we are still struggling with, so I think that will be put on hold for a while. But our system can be used with your choice of liquid, and our colours are all compatible as well with your choice of liquid, as long as it's a professional, high quality liquid. Don't use any cheap crap, because it's not going to work. You know what I'm saying? It is not going to work. Just look at the effect of those pearl pigments. They are so freaking gorgeous. Oh, and such a little amount goes a long way as well. I love them so much. They are available on the website now, and we literally just restocked like at the beginning of this week. So get them before they go, because they do sell out really quick. So once all the pigments applied and you are happy with the placement, if you feel like you've lightened them too much and you've not got the depth there as such, look, what I'm doing here, I'm coming in with some more of the Houdini black acrylic, and that is just going to bring that darkness back into the nails. I know they're super dark, but I kind of did oversaturate with a little bit too much pigment than I'd like. If you're happy with them like that, that's fine, but I just wanted to add a bit more darkness in there, so that's exactly what I did. I just used a wet bead and ran that through the nails, and it just really kind of brought that focus not just to all the pigment, it kind of give it a little bit of structure. So these are the fairy flakes, and it actually makes the whole set just look like a nebula, like a galaxy nebula. They changed the set so much, and again, such a minimal little thing that you add to the nail, and it just is like, wow, like it's amazing again. They really did add so much depth. I absolutely love this set. I wish I'd had my nails longer actually, but I think I'll grow them out and infill them in the same thing, or just add a glitter fade. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to come in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic. You guys have been loving this. Not surprised, because it's freaking bomb. It literally, once you've got the hang of using the system, you can control it down to a T. It's not going to do anything you don't want it to do. I absolutely love working with our system. It's freaking amazing. It's beautiful. It's self-leveling, but it doesn't run everywhere, unless you've got the incorrect consistency, of course. But just look, I've placed that huge bead and it isn't running. You've got to control the pigment. You've got to control the powder and the bead, and make sure that you really kind of know what you're doing. And it's good to practice just applying a cuticle bead, or just applying a bead at the free edge, to get used to how to hold and work your brush and how to use your product. You need to know it inside out to be really, really good at what you do. Even I have so much learning to do, but it's a good process. This bead was slightly too wet, and that's what happens when you've got too much liquid. You can still control it quite well. That's why I didn't edit this out, because if you know how to control the product and you know how it works, you can kind of not save it because it didn't go wrong, but you can't really be in a bad situation ever. So yeah, I really love the crystal clear powder. So beautiful to work with, and it is so see-through. Bubble-free formulation, so you really don't get any air bubbles in there, so it's not going to spoil any looks or glass nails. We do only have the 45 gram pots available at the moment, but the 165 gram jars will be in a couple of weeks, I hope. So I'm just using the mini dust brush. I love this little brush. It comes in handy for like removing obviously dust, but pigments, glitter, everything. I just love to use it to clean up. And yeah, it's super soft and it's so pretty. So I filed my nails into shape and removing all the dust and excess, and then I'm going to come in with Super Gloss Top Coat, which again, another one of my absolute favorite products ever. Look at those. They looked absolutely gorgeous matte as well, these nails. So if you wanted the matte, you could definitely rock that as well. I'm just showing you here with a different background because I felt like each background kind of made the nails look really different. So that's the comparison, glossy to matte. Even though the matte ones here, obviously they've got scratches in because they've not been like superly smoothed out or anything. But yeah, I'm coming in with my Super Gloss and it looks so freaking gorgeous. So tell me if you've got this far in the video. I have no idea if anybody ever watches the whole video or if you just watch snippets. I know sometimes when I'm in a rush, I'll just like kind of like skip through. But if you've made it this far and you're listening, let me know if you would rock this set and would you add a lot more bling. I only did bling on one hand. I think I might add some more tonight to my other hand. But would you have full on bling? Would you have no bling? Would you rock this set? Is it too dark for you? Do you prefer more pastel colours? I can imagine a pastel galaxy. Now that would be something else. That'd be freaking bomb. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, like I say, let you guys listen, well, view a little bit more without having to listen to me all the way through, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final result of my set that I just showed you guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I loved sharing this with you. Absolutely bomb, gorgeous, beautiful, stunning work. I am absolutely in love with this set. I can't believe I did myself a wonky nail though, and it is in this set. You guys, if you know which one it is, then tell me. I can spot it from a mile off, and I'm so sad that I did myself so wrong. Oh, you can definitely see it. You can definitely see it, and I had no time to take it off because we've been so busy with the launch coming on Monday. I think I was just not concentrating at all, and I didn't realise until I was like going to run myself a bath. I was like just checking my nails out like you do, and I was like, oh damn, what the heck have I done? But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of have to hide that hand. If you know which one it is, just comment down below because I'd love to see if you guys can actually see it. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and check out the shop. I'll link it down below for you guys. And as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different because you got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. See you later, alligator.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.